Hi there, friends. Welcome back to Learntechwise. I'm John, and today we're about to unlock the secret sauce behind almost everything we do online. Ever wondered what makes it possible to send a message, stream your favorite show, or connect with people around the world in an instant? Well, it's all thanks to something called computer networks. In this video, I'll walk you through the basics of computer networks, breaking down how different devices connect, share data, and make our digital lives work. By the end of this video, you'll understand not only what a network is, but why it's so crucial in our everyday world. Let's get started on this tech journey together. 1. Types of networks. LAN, local area network. Let's dive into LANs, or local area networks. Imagine this as a network within your own home, office, or school. It's local and private, connecting all your devices like computers, printers, and even game consoles. Think of your home Wi-Fi network. It's all about keeping things connected within a small space. WAN, wide area network. Next up is the wide area network, or WAN. Picture this as the internet itself, an enormous web connecting cities, countries, and even continents. WANs cover vast areas and make global connectivity possible, allowing us to stream movies from across the globe or video chat with friends in different countries. PAN, personal area network. And then we have PANs, or personal area networks. These are even smaller, designed just for you. Picture connecting your smartphone to Bluetooth headphones or a smartwatch. PANs are all about personal convenience and short-range connections. 2. Network components. Router. Routers are the directors of data traffic. They control where information goes, connecting your home devices to each other and to the internet. If the internet is a giant highway, think of the router as the traffic light, ensuring data goes to the right place at the right time. Switch. Inside a network, a switch is like a mini traffic controller, connecting multiple devices to ensure smooth communication between them. It's often found in offices or large networks where you have many devices needing to talk to each other. Modem. The modem connects us to the internet itself. Think of it as the bridge between your personal network and the global network we call the internet. Without a modem, your devices would only connect locally, without access to the outside world. Cables and Wi-Fi. And finally, the pathways for all this information. Cables provide stable, reliable connections, while Wi-Fi allows wireless freedom. Together, they let data flow smoothly, whether you're sitting at your desk or streaming in bed. IP address and data packets. Now, how does all this information know where to go? Enter IP addresses. Just like a home address directs mail, every device has a unique IP address, so information finds the right destination. But data doesn't travel in one big chunk. It's split into tiny packets. Each packet takes the fastest route, and they reassemble at the destination. Think of packets as little digital couriers that race to the finish line, carrying your information safely and quickly across networks. Importance of networks. So, why are networks so essential? They're the backbone of modern communication and resource sharing. Whether it's sharing files between colleagues, streaming a movie at home, or participating in an online class, networks enable almost everything we do on our devices. Consider online gaming. Players from all over the world can connect and interact in real time, thanks to these powerful networks. And for businesses, networks mean remote work, video calls, and efficient resource sharing. In short, networks keep us connected, productive, and entertained. Conclusion. From the internet connecting continents to your home Wi-Fi and Bluetooth devices, networks are everywhere, making life seamless and connected. Without them, the modern world as we know it wouldn't exist. So what kind of network do you rely on the most? Let's keep exploring these tech fundamentals together. All right, that's a quick look into the world of computer networks. We've explored how devices communicate, the different types of networks, and why they're essential in our daily lives. Whether it's connecting with friends, streaming your favorite shows, or even working remotely, networks make it all possible. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech insights. Got questions or topics you'd like us to cover next? Drop them in the comments. Let's keep learning and growing together.